Hey guys, it's LipstickNick, and we're back in Studio Morphe with the one and only
MMMMitchell. Hi guys.
We're back again, and this time we're doing a Sips and Shades, but we're kind of doing like a UK Sips and Shades, naturally. So we have a mystery drink here that our amazing Morphe team created for us. We don't know what's in it, so this is what we're gonna be sipping on before we get to the shade part, and we're gonna try to guess what it is and what the ingredients are.
Okay, right. So looking at it, what would you think it is?
Looking at it, it looks like tea. Ooh.
It smells like something that I know.
It's mint.
Mint. Is it a mojito?
A mojito? Okay.
No, it's not. It definitely isn't a mojito. It doesn't look like a mojito. It's like
okay.
brown.
Ooh.
What is that?
It tastes like...
There's definitely mint in it.
There's definitely vodka in it, maybe?
Is it vodka?
What's the alcohol that's in it? Gin? Is it gin?
No, it's not gin. I know gin.
Oh, I know tequila. This is not tequila, so...
No, it's definitely not tequila, else I would be on the floor.
What else is there? I'm really counting on you for this one.
Pims. Oh! Pims. Oh!
What is
Let's
Pims?
make more.
Wow, I would definitely drink this again.
Oh, really?
10 out of 10.
Okay, well,
yeah.
Here we go, baby.
You got like really low on yours already. Why don't you refill
I'm British,
yours?
that's why.
We have so many like good things in front of us. Are you down to eat things with me? Oh, honey. It kind of reminds me of like an Oreo. I think this is becoming a mukbang.
So this is what you would dip in a cup of tea.
We dip cookies in milk.
So these are digestive biscuits, everyone.
Digestive biscuits? That's
Do you
not
call them biscuits? What would you guys call a biscuit?
a cookie.
A biscuit is this. This is a bouquet of biscuits.
No, that is cookies.
Not a cookie. It's...
Biscuits or cookies? Sound off.
Well,
1 for biscuit, 2 for cookies.
You better pull through because you know these are biscuits.
I'm gonna eat this thing here.
A cookie to me is like one of them.
This is a cookie. This is definitely a scone.
A scone! Oh my god! Right, so I've just found the digestive biscuit, which is this.
Right.
A British biscuit is an American cookie.
So what you consider
honestly,
a biscuit...
I've never been so confused by anything in my life.
So you know how you call this a biscuit?
Yeah.
Remember how I said, it's our cookie? That's what it's saying.
No, a biscuit is a biscuit, which is this. A cookie is a chocolate chip cookie.
But what if it's not chocolate chip? What
Well,
about a macadamia nut?
that's still a cookie because it's got cookie elements.
Oh, what's a cookie element?
This is, honestly,
This is the
ridiculous.
great debate of 2020. We're actually friends. This is a healthy debate.
That's questionable, but yeah.
Should we move on from the cookies?
I don't think I can.
Let's take a minute. We're gonna take a brief break. Mitchell's gonna collect himself. Still sticking with this whole food combo. I have some cards
Okay.
with some UK inspired foods.
Okay.
I'm gonna see if you know what it is. They're like, you should, right? Because you're from there, but we'll see.
Huh?
These are foods you can find exclusively in the UK.
Okay.
So, you know, while you're doing something with these new shades from the 24M, I'm gonna randomly call out something and we're gonna see if we can guess what it is.
Okay.
Okay? I'm gonna let you get started and then we'll get into the game.
So I'm gonna take a bit of green fields and then probably mix in a little bit of tippy. But yeah, green field. And this is a really nice tone as well because it really contours the eye and really defines Nicole's crease.
All right, I'm gonna try with the first card. Welsh RAREBIT. What's that?
Don't have a clue.
Welsh RAREBIT.
But let's try and guess what it is.
Yeah,
so it's somewhat Welsh.
We have a grape juice called Welch's, so it makes
Welsh is a place.
Oh, okay.
Wales.
Welsh, a RAREBIT. What's a RAREBIT? What's rare? I'm
Rabbit?
thinking a rare meat. What's Welsh like, or what's there?
Wait, well, it's like it's a lot of.
It's like oceany. Is it like?
No, it's very like countryside-y.
Countryside-y. Okay.
Melted cheese or fondue over toast.
Excuse me, melted cheese.
I feel like I'm really lying to myself.
I feel like you're lying too.
I don't
you
feel
like really
British.
from like Ireland?
Well,
or something?
Welsh.
Okay. Toad,
Oh, okay. So yeah, no, this toad in the hole. Try and guess.
Toad in the hole. Frog. It's not frog related.
No. I don't
Toad
know
in
why
the
it
hole.
says toad.
Something like I'm thinking something that has a hole in it, like a donut.
So a toad in the hole is a sausage in a pastry.
Oh, he wants to turn the cards now. Spotted dick.
I actually, is it a rabbit?
No, I know what this is.
Don't tell me, let me try and guess.
Okay.
Is it a vegetable?
Nope.
Is it an animal? No.
A spotted dick is like almost like a bundt cake.
A bundt cake.
Yeah, it's like all white and then it has little spots all over it. Okay, Philadelphia.
Philadelphia. You know what Philadelphia is, don't
I
you?
know the city.
You don't know what
I
Philadelphia
know what
is?
Philadelphia cream cheese is.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Cream cheese?
Yeah.
Oh.
One of my favorites. So going in with green fields through the crease of the field.
As if my eye is a field to go into the crease part
Okay.
of the field.
Okay, so now I'm gonna just take a little bit of this one, which is Somerset. Let's add a little bit of highlight. What's this? Free Spirit.
Cotton buds.
What is a cotton bud to you?
Like a cotton, like a Q-tip.
Yeah. But it's not a Q-tip.
It's a cotton
Cotton
bud.
bud.
Okay.
Nip it in the bud.
All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us while we fought and debate over different
Cookies
types of foods,
and
cookies
biscuits
versus
and
biscuits.
gravy.
We tried some Pims, we guessed what our cocktail was, and we had a little bit of fun with this new 24M Main Event palette. So if you guys want to create some fun looks inspired by Mitchell's drunk makeup on me, please tag us, #MorpheBabe, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Enjoy your biscuits.
In your cookies. Mostly your
Bye.
cookies.
Bye.
Help us end this debate. Is this a cookie?
Help Nicole end this debate because I don't need any help with this debate. I know what it is. Is this a cookie or a biscuit? All for Nicole because I know what it is.